a new door here. It's a pretty bad one. If that side wasn't bad enough, well, there's the back side. So we need a new door for sure. What I have here is a door worksheet. And first thing we need to know is our door style. This one's a hollow core. Front door is usually like a solid core. Okay. And basic color, mine's going to be primed white finish. And hinge size, we'll have to measure the hinge sizes. On this one, got 3.5 hinges, 3.5 inches. So I'll mark that here. And door thickness, 1 3/8 is standard. So let's take a look here. Yep, 1 3/8. Okay. And what else? We need our bolt and mortise plate. This one's 1 by 2 1/4 inches standard, and then mine is a radius on the corner there, so I can mark radius corner, 1/4 inch standard. You know, or you can do it square. Actually, the original one looks like it was square, so square can work out for either way. In fact, I'm actually going to change that to square. Okay. What else? Now we need our door measurements. So we need our door width and our door height. And all measurements must be taken from the top of the door. So all lock bores will have a standard 2 1/8 inch diameter. All latch bores will have a standard 1 inch diameter. Provide measurements to the nearest 1/16 inch. If a door is cut more than 1 inch in height, it must be re-railed. Okay. Well, that part doesn't totally concern me here. I actually just need to know my width and my height. So here's my width. 31 11/16. And we want to go top to bottom. We're looking at 79 inches. So our door height is going to be 79 inches. Our door width, once again, on this door, it's going to be 31 11/16. Okay. And if you have a large property that you're taking care of, it's not a bad idea to go through and figure out kind of a standard, uniform guideline, so it makes it easier when you do need to order doors in the future if you've got it kind of mapped out. I'll get into that more in a different video. For now, this is just taking care of our deal here. We don't need a deadbolt, we do need a lock set. So now we're going to measure down for our hinges. We want to know from the top of the door to the top of each hinge. So our first one, we've got 8 inches. And our second one, we've got 68 inches. So we'll go 8 inches. And on this one, 68 inches. Okay. Now for our lock set. We're going to go right to the top of our lock deal. This one, we want to go right to the center. And we're looking at 44. Okay, that's great. So we're going to get 44 inches to the center here. So now we need to know if we have a left hand in swing or a right hand in swing, the handing. Okay, so the last part of figuring out these doors is figuring out the handing in swing, and there's a fairly easy trick to this. What you want to do is open the door all the way, and then you want to stand with your back to the door and then reach out your hand. If it's your left hand finding the handle, it's a left hand in swing. If it's your right hand finding the handle, then it's a right hand in swing. Fairly easy. So again, stand with your back to the door. This one's a left hand swing. Okay, on this one, which the door is missing, but we would know the hinge is on this side. On this one would also be a left hand swing. On this door, you open the door all the way. Even though this door opens out, open it up all the way. Stand with your back to the door, also a left hand swing. Okay. And this one is a right hand swing. So it's a pretty easy way to figure out. So on the sheet here, this particular one, this one's actually should be a left hand swing for this door. So easy enough. So I'll mark off left hand swing. I'll change that, get that proper on the form. And this one was for the closet door, which was also a left hand swing. So I'll check that off and I'm ready to order. Fill out the rest of my information and we're all set here. So there's the left hand in swing. Now all I need to do is enter my account number and information and I'll be ready to fax this off and get it ordered. Or at least get a quote for it, find out how much it's going to be. And a nice way to organize this is to take like a schematic and just draw in your sizes for your doors, or keep a legend of some kind that can show you your particular sizes, so you're always ready to be able to order what you need. And another way to do this would be to call your rep and have your rep do this. If you're at a property where you're regularly spending money on these items, they should have no problem coming out and kind of mapping this out for you, making a system that's easy to keep up with for you. So there's that. But anyway, this is how you can do it yourself, get measurements and use the form and make your order.